Astronomy Shares. We are going to be reading There Is No Place Like Space by Tish, Rabe. Go shot. I'm the cat in the hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if you do. Jump and here we go. We will fly up so high we can dance in the moon and play games in the sky. We will swish past the stars, and in case you have missed them, you'll soon see the planets of our solar system. There are 8 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Mercury's closest to the sun's burning light. It's hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. That makes no sense at all. On Venus, the weather is always the same, hot, dry, and windy, with no chance of rain. Today's weather on Venus, really hot, nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit, windy and dry. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here is a clue. It's home and home. Do thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It's the 3rd from the sun, our planet. Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day, and it will never stop. Home sweet home. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. The Earth's always spinning. Why don't we feel dizzy? Well, we don't feel dizzy. We don't feel the Earth as it's spinning. It's on its way, 'cause we're spinning right with it right now every day. Next here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it's covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it is bigger than all the other planets combined. Saturn has rings. It's so light you'd think. Saturn has rings. It's so light, who would think? Oh, it could float in an ocean and not even sink. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. There are colors in space I will show some to you. Neptune, planet 8, has a beautiful blue. We have seen all the planets. Now here is a trick to remember these names and remember them quick. Say Mallory, Mercury, Valerie, Venus, Emily, Earth, Michael's, Mars, Just, Jupiter, Saved, Saturn, Up, Uranus, 999 Nichols, Neptune.
Daniel, read down just the words. Mallory, Saved, like without the names of the planets.
The first letter of Earth, of the words in the same as the first letter in each of these planets you name.
Yeah, so read down. Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Mickles just saved up 999 nickels.
Now here is a game you can play in the skies. Constellation. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. It's star dot to dot. You use imagination and you will see a big picture we call a constellations. A dog, the great bear, and Leo the lion. Turks, the bull, and a
Orion.
And a
Hunter Orion.
A star in the sky may look small, not like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball, and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favorite one. We can't live without it. It's the star called the sun. From the earth, it looks big. There is one reason why it's the closest to Earth from the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes will get hurt and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute 8 million of our Earths it could not fit right in. Could all fit right in.
In it. It's a rhyme.
Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first, we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but a big mirror reflects the sun's light. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore a place no one had ever been before. They walked on the moon and they drove all over in a space moon car called the lunar rover. An astronaut studies what's up in the sky, then too wants to be one. In fact, so do I. universe is a mystery place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up into your eye. Oh, dear eye must fly back into the stars and take one thing to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be to you who looks up at the sky and finds something that's new. Thank you for reading with us. Hope you will listen to our story next time. Bye.